friends. So in lesson 13, we will be seeing how to solve questions under factorization and miscellaneous sums. So from the examination point of view, factorization is very important in numerical aptitude because nowadays almost in all exams, say insurance, RBI and for PO level, they ask around 5 questions. So if you are thorough with the concepts or if you are clear with the concept, you can solve the questions easily with confidence. In factorization, so they give equations of linear type and quadratic type. So first we will see what a linear equation is, what a quadratic equation is, so what is factorization and what is solution of an equation. So now we will see what a linear equation is. So an equation in which the highest power of a variable is 1 is termed as linear equation. Say for example, x plus 3 equal to 0. So here highest power of x is 1. So another equation, 3x minus y equal to 0. So the variables has highest degree as 1. So both these equations are termed as linear equation. So these equations get the name linear because so when you plot the points of this equation on a graph, you get a straight line. Say suppose we are plotting these points on a graph. So this is the x-axis and the y-axis. So plotting this x plus 3 equal to 0, so you get a line which passes through the point x equal to minus 3, so parallel to y-axis. So it is a straight line. So plotting the points of this equation 3x minus y equal to 0, it passes through the origin. So this is equation of the line 3x minus y equal to 0. So both the lines give a straight line, so these are termed as linear equation. So we will see what a quadratic equation is. So an equation where the highest power of a variable is 2 is termed as a quadratic equation. So we will see some examples. So here we have 3 terms where we have power of x as 1 and power of x is 2. The highest power is 2, so it is termed as a quadratic equation. So when we plot these points on a graph, so we will get a curve. So it can be either a circle or a parabola or an ellipse. So we will see what is factorization. So factorization is representing an equation in a product format. Suppose you have an equation 10x square plus 15x equal to 0. So now writing this equation in a product format, so you see what is the common factor between these two terms. So for between 10 and 15, common factor is 5, and with these two terms you have x as the common factor. So now the numbers left out is 2x. So when you multiply 5x and 2x, you get 10x square. And here as we have taken 5x out, 3 remains. So multiplying 5x and 3, so we get 15x. So we have given this equation in a product format, that is we have factorized this equation. Now we will see what a solution is. The solution is the one which satisfies a given equation. say, so if 5x minus 15 equal to 0, so solve this and get the value for x. So it is 5x equal to 15. So where x is 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. Here x equal to 3 is solution of this equation. So when you substitute the value 3 for x, the equation is satisfied. So we'll check that. So now substitute for x 3. So the equation is satisfied. So x equal to 3 is a solution of this equation. Suppose if I substitute for x as 4, so it is 20 minus 15, or we get 5 equal to 0, so which is not equal, the equation is not satisfied. So x equal to 3, which satisfies, is the solution, and x equal to 3, x equal to 4 is not a solution. And we'll be seeing some miscellaneous questions also.